Now, a major challenge for expats situated in the world is the inability to actually connect to and enjoy content, television content, online content from their home region. And that is exactly where VPN services like HideMe make such a wonderful difference. And as it says, connect your home channel in just few clicks with HideMe. So whether it's ESPN, Amazon Instant Video, iPlayer, iTV, YouTube content which may be localized and not available outside your region, Vimeo, Fox, Pandora, MTV, etc., etc., you'll easily be able to connect to that, all thanks to HideMe. And just to give you a good perspective on HideMe and the value that it offers, please watch this very short video.
We all love traveling, don't we? But what about all those TV shows and streaming services that we have to leave behind? Well, Hide.me is at your service. Be it Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Pandora, or any other service anywhere in the world. Hide.me VPN provides you secure and instant access to all these streaming services from anywhere in the world. With several different server locations worldwide and millions of users, Hive.me allows you to stream your favorite content without compromising your speed anywhere in the world and even on the go. Just install Hive.me on any of your devices, pick your desired location, and let the binge watching begin. Visit Hive.me now and try it out for free.
So, as you saw, the value proposition of HideMe is very, very clear. And that is the reason I'm actually spreading the word about HideMe. It's already trusted by over 2 million users across the world, whether it's beginners, geeks, youngsters, adults. Everyone has actually seen the value that HideMe has to offer. It is indeed very safe, simple to use, and easily supports a variety of different devices, whether it's Windows machines, Mac machines, smartphones, and even Apple TVs for that matter. And yes, it downloads really, really fast. So within a matter of minutes, you're actually good to go. And there are absolutely no logs, because this is a concern that a lot of VPN users have, that maybe there might be these logs which any government agency or anybody, law enforcement, etc., might want to look into. But when there are no logs, obviously there is nothing that anybody can actually look into. And you don't need to be a tech geek and some sort of a tech expert to actually set it up. It's really very simple to set up, so therefore you can easily set it up and be good to go. And as far as pricing is concerned, because a lot of you are curious about the prices, it's not like just because you're getting such fabulous value from HideMe, you're actually paying a premium or anything on those lines. You're not. The most popular premium plan from HideMe actually ends up costing just $11.67 a month. For that, you get servers across 29 locations in the world, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited data transfer, complete protocol support, 5 simultaneous VPN connections that you can run at the same time, as well as port forwarding. And of course, there's the free option as well that you can try out without any credit card obligation, without any payment obligation. Yes, there are limitations, like instead of 29, you've got only 3 locations of these servers, and bandwidth is only on best effort basis with just a 2 GB data transfer limit a month. And protocol support is limited, and you can only run one VPN connection at a time, and there's no port forwarding. Ahead from the free connection, there is the possibility of a plus plan, which is very, very economically priced, just 5.42 US dollars a month. 29 locations as the premium one, unlimited bandwidth as the premium one. Data transfer is limited. It's 75 GB instead of being unlimited, but of course, much, much better than the 2 GB limit on the free plan. There's complete protocol support here as well. Only one simultaneous connection that you can run at the same time, and again, no port forwarding. That's the reason I always recommend that if you're going for HideMe and you want to view all your favorite television content, sports content, or any online content which you miss, it's always better to go for this premium plan, which will not throttle you in any way. It will give you everything that you're looking for very, very easily. And as far as payment options are concerned, there are multiple payment options. You can easily, once you click here on buy now, the link is of course there in the description of this video. You simply need to click on that and you will straight away get to this very page. So that when you click on buy now, you can then go forward and easily choose from any of the numerous payment options. Mind you, Bitcoin is also a payment option with HideMe. And if you look at what others have said, they've always had great things to say about HideMe's VPN service. And if you're looking at server locations, you can see that across Europe there are multiple locations. In the US alone, you have Washington State, California, Utah, DC, and Florida. You've got in Mexico, Brazil, in Morocco, and various parts of Europe, Hong Kong, Singapore. So this gives you a very good idea that worldwide their servers are all over the place. So you don't have to be concerned about that either. And of course, there are many if you have any questions absolutely whatsoever, you can always refer to the FAQs of HideMe. So once again, without further ado, I would reiterate that if you're an expat, if you're outside your home country and you're missing content, where be it television content, online content, VPN services like HideMe are the way to go. So don't miss out. It costs very little. I've showcased the price to you. I've showcased the value proposition to you. I've showcased the video which actually confirms the value proposition that HideMe has to offer. So without further ado, if you're looking at your home content, home channels, etc., go ahead, the link is there in the description of this video. That will take you to this very page, so you don't need to look any further around, and then you can easily go ahead, register with HideMe, choose your plan, and then immediately start watching your favorite content from wherever in the world you might be.